Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewithsocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make branded hashtag on Twitter. Would you like to make a hashtag for your brand on Twitter? You can easily do it. Follow these steps and I will show you how to do it. Open Twitter app on your mobile and log into your Twitter account. Tap on the blue feather icon at the bottom right of your screen to create a new tweet. Now type in the hashtag sign and write down your new hashtag. Afterwards, click on Tweet at the top right corner. Now just go to Search and search for your newly created hashtag. As you see, I can now find my branded hashtag. That's it for this video. I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to make branded hashtag on Twitter. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewithsocial.com.